Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to wish you a happy new year. In this video, I'm going to be talking about if GOAT app is real or do they sell fake shoes. Stay where you at while I go shopping. I think GOAT app is real, and don't let nobody tell you it's fake. I've seen a lot of celebrities buying from that app, and this card says it's authenticated, so yeah, if they lying, they can get sued. So if you're looking for an app or a website to buy shoes that were sold out or you never got the chance to buy, you can go to GOAT app. I recommend that website. And you can also sell shoes that you don't like wearing, or they've been staying in your closet for days and you want to sell them and make money off of them. So next up is me trying on the shoes.